Okay, so you want to know what your money can get you in San Antonio, Texas? Well, I'm Kay, giving you the real keys to home ownership. And today I'm walking you through a spot that might just be perfect for someone like you. Simple, solid, and definitely worth the look. Let's get into it. Hello, how may I help you?
I'm looking for Keys by K.
Oh, you come to the right place. Come on in.
It's a nice house. So where are we today?
So, today we're outside, all right? And we're looking at a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1-story house. It's 1,778 square feet, and it's currently listed for $392,950. That was a mouthful, but let me show you what it looks like. So to the left, we have our first bedroom at the beginning of the house. Then we have the closet. All right. Coming out, you walk into, I guess you could call it the foyer area because it's right by the front door. But to your left, we have the bathroom. We have the marble. You got the standard toilet. And then over to your left, we have the shower and the tub with the tile backdrop. All right. Now coming out of here, back into kind of like the foyer area, to your right, we have the second bedroom. This bedroom seems to be the same size as the one in the front. And then over here as well, we also have your closet. Coming out of here, I believe this is like your linen closet for both these bedrooms, and then 2 for your bathroom. Okay. Moving on through, coming in through the front door, as you look to your right, we have the garage. It looks to be a 2-car garage, and then that over there is like your water system and your water softener. You continue walking through and you have your kitchen. So your kitchen, you have the marble, you have your standard cabinets, the oven, this stove, this is a gas community, so your stove will be gas. Then you come over here and you have a walk-in pantry. It's pretty roomy in there, actually. Comes with some white shelves for you to put all your stuff. Okay, and then coming out of there, still in the kitchen area, you have a cabinet over here and an island by itself. And then backing up, you have this full island where you could put some seats, some bar stools, or some chairs to eat here. Also, we have a 1-tub sink that it looks pretty roomy. It doesn't come with the divider. Now, moving on to this, I believe this is like your coat closet when you have guests. They can come in, put their shoes, put their clothes, or if you're like me, it can be used for extra storage when you run out of space in your closet. Okay, now we'll come in this room first. This is the 3rd bedroom. And then coming out of here to your left, this is where we have our laundry room. So the laundry room has its own dedicated space. It has a little shelf if you wanted to add more space with shelves and cabinets and things like that. You always could. There's room in here for that. And yeah, okay. Now coming back into the kitchen and looking to your left, we have what will be your dining area or your living room space. So I guess we could put it here. That would be considered your dining room area, and then this over here would be considered your living room space. And then right off of the main area, we have the primary bedroom, which is right in here. This is the primary bedroom of the house, which is bigger, of course, because it's the main bedroom of the home. As we've seen in all the rooms, they come carpeted. All main areas come with tile, okay? This is your bathroom. They kind of have built-in shelves for your, your towels and shampoo, things, and other storage things that you may have in your bathroom. We have a standalone toilet, which is pretty roomy walking in, so you can add some decorative things in there as well. Okay, marble cabinets that come with the 2 sinks. And then we have the cabinet space down below. And then coming into your left, we also have a walk-in closet, which is pretty roomy for you and your partner. Now, the difference in the primary bedroom shower, it doesn't come with a tub. If you haven't noticed, there's no tub in the primary bedroom, it just comes with the shower. But it has the same tile as the front bathroom, and it's a walk-in shower. Okay, now coming out of here, we're gonna make our way into the backyard. So we're walking out of the primary bedroom, coming over to the left to open up into this beautiful backyard. Now, one thing I really love about this house is the covered patio, which comes standard with this builder. You could put furniture, you could put a table, you could screen it in if you're an outdoors person but don't like bugs. And then we have the backyard.
And is this like someone's starter home?
Yeah, for sure. Definitely a starter home. Oh, I'm glad you said that because the builder is offering a 2-for-1 buy down. The rate starting at 1.99%. The second year it goes to 2.99%, and then the third year it caps at 3.99%. So perfect for my first-time home buyers. Perfect for anybody wanting to start a family, and anybody wanting to move to San Antonio, Texas. So that's a wrap for this home tour. Let me know down in the comment section if you could see yourself living here. And if you're interested in purchasing this home or any other home in the area, click on the link in my description below to schedule a consultation with me. Remember, when you know better, you buy smarter. See you in the next one.